A man sneezed, and unexpectedly, a man-eating bug erupted. Then, from his nostrils, a swarm of bugs emerged. His reflection in the mirror was covered in bugs. It was terrifying. Those on their phones quickly clicked like to seek refuge. In a moment, the man was devoured by the bugs. The security guard also noticed the bugs, but he was in the elevator, unable to escape. He was mercilessly devoured by the bugs, leaving only a shell of his body. The cleaning staff was much smarter. He noticed the bugs in the elevator and quickly ran away, but they surrounded him, so he had no choice but to climb the stairs. Seeing the opportunity, he threw his lighter, ultimately perishing alongside the bugs.